If you started YouTube in 2026 with 0 subs, here's what you do differently. You've probably studied creators who grow fast. What makes their videos click? What keeps people watching? And what quietly kills a channel's momentum? Now it's time to apply that knowledge to your channel. In this video, you're getting 10 biggest lessons that changes everything when you use them. The exact playbook that creators follow when they're serious about growth in 2026. Let's start with what most people get wrong. When you dig into your analytics, here's what you'll see. Your videos aren't clear from the click. Titles talk about what you want to say, not what viewers search for or care about. Thumbnails don't tell an obvious story. Your intros move too slow. People bounce at 10 to 15 seconds because the value doesn't hit fast enough. You're not building for retention. No visual changes, no pattern interrupts, no moments that make people think, this is worth my time. You're stuck in episode thinking and not discovery thinking, making videos like everyone knows you already. Here's the fix. When you change these, your channel starts growing for you. Lesson 1, put your viewer first. Before you outline your video idea, ask yourself these 3 questions. Who needs this? What are they searching? And why click your video over everyone else's? Great videos solve their problems, not just sharing your thoughts. Lesson 2, nail the first 10 seconds of your video. Skip the hey guys, welcome back to my channel, my name is. Lead with the promise. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to. My advice would be to test. Would a stranger stay? If not, write it until they would. Lesson 3, title and thumbnail before the camera. Top YouTubers like Ali Abdul, Sean Candle, and Mr. Beast are known for advising creators to spend a significant amount of time on these elements. Write out 10 title options, then pick one with curiosity and clarity. Create 3 versions of your thumbnail. Only film when your package makes people need to click. Lesson 4, click-through rate and retention beats views. Forget view count. What you need to watch for is your CTR, which is your click-through rate. That means how many people are clicking and watching through your video. That will let you know if your packaging worked. You need to also watch for retention. This just means how long your viewers are watching. So did your video deliver on the promise? Low CTR just means that you have to fix the clickbait. Low retention means you have to fix the pacing. Once you fix this, views follow automatically. Lesson 5, value hits fast and often. Respect your viewers' time from the beginning. You must deliver on the promise in the first 15 seconds. Give them the first takeaway by 30 seconds. Be sure to sprinkle in mini wins every 1 to 2 minutes. People stay for videos that give them value fast. Lesson 6, build a binge machine. YouTube loves sessions, not single views. Be sure to connect your videos into playlists. Always end your videos with next, watch this if you want. Make your video topics flow like chapters. 1 click becomes 5 views. Lesson 7, 1 video makes 5 shorts. Don't create shorts from nothing. I personally use Opus Clip, an AI-powered video tool that automatically transforms my long videos into multiple short viral-ready clips. So you can use these for TikToks, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Post shorts that drive people to your full YouTube video. This one idea will give you 5 entry points. Lesson 8, make your videos findable. We know that YouTube is the world's largest search engine. Use video titles with real search terms. The descriptions in your videos need to explain the value. Use tags and captions that help clarify your video topic. This helps YouTube push your content out to the right viewers. For every hour you spend watching others, take that same energy for 1 hour to create your content. Research without action equals procrastination. Publishing videos on your channel regularly creates momentum. Lesson 10, growth compounds. No one single video is going to save your channel. Every upload teaches the algorithm who your audience is, It also makes you better at creating video, sets you up for tomorrow's videos. Stack 50 smart videos and watch what happens. If you're starting YouTube in 2026 or pivoting your channel right now, take one lesson from this video today and apply it to your next video. Watch your analytics change. Subscribe to see these lessons play out live. Wins, flops, and fixes. This isn't theory. It's the playbook that we're building together. Drop a 1 in the comments if you're applying lesson 1 this week.